Okay, here we have an SAT practice question in algebra. Okay, here we have an SAT algebra practice question, and we are given a system of nonlinear equations. But the truth is, we don't have to solve for x and y individually. We are just looking for the product of x times y. There must be an easier way to do this, alright? Because if you want to solve x and y individually, it's not so easy. But anyway, as always, please pause the video and try it first. Done? Okay, cool. So here's the thing. We see that x plus y is equal to 8, and here's x squared plus y squared is equal to 10. They are kind of similar. Let me put this down right here. X plus y, we know it's equal to 8, but check this out. If we square both sides, on the left-hand side, just remember your binomial square really well. We will get x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. We do have this middle term. Aha! X squared and y squared, we know what that is. Yeah. And then, of course, 8 squared is 64. And now check this out. X squared plus y squared, thanks to this, we know it's 10. So, I'm sorry, this is just a horrible x. 2xy, right? And then this and that together is just 10, so we know plus 10, that will be 64. And now we just have to solve for x and y. Minus 10 on both sides, so we get 2xy equals 54. And lastly, we just divide both sides by 2. And ladies and gentlemen, x times y equals 27. So, that's it. And just kind of fill in the blank for this question.